It's my favorite time of year for a variety of reasons, like sitting by the fire and waiting for that special someone to come knocking on my door. In my case, that special someone is delivery, with a very heavy bag of all of my McDonald's favorites with Uber Eats. Or it's the thrill of finally shoveling my parents' driveway after they asked me to 6 to 10 separate times. Or tracking down the one tricky light bulb that was really wrecking it for the strand of 200 I just hung on the front of my sister's house. But my favorite reason for the season is making the holidays a little bit brighter for Canadian families in need. That's why I'm teaming up with Uber Eats to donate $50,000 to the Ronald McDonald House Charities of Canada. Whatever your reason, Uber Eats is making it easy to get the McDonald's you love ordered right to your door. Now go on, order that delivery.